As we recover from Hurricane Michael, we are also looking at how to improve for the next storm. Bay District school leaders teaming up with county officials to discuss new ways to oversee the shelters with the American Red Cross. News 13's Erin Morgan tells us why they're looking to make those changes.
With hurricane season fast approaching, if a shelter needed to be open, where would residents go with schools across the area damaged? Well, that's a question district leaders are currently faced with.
The best case scenario would be Bozeman, actually.
Only one school is usable as a shelter right now. In the past, Northside and Rutherford would also be options, but district officials say that's not the case.
Every one of them has roof leaks, and so, obviously we've got to get roofs on those schools.
While they focus on repairing schools, they are also looking to change the way shelters are run. Red Cross officials say one of the biggest challenges was keeping shelters open after the storm.
There was so much damage to so many facilities that we really had very few options on how to keep sheltering going.
School leaders have met with county officials and the American Red Cross to discuss some options.
There could be the idea that the schools maybe be totally in charge of their building. That's been one idea, and the Red Cross still play a role in that.
We have the manpower to commit to the county at the same level that we did last year, which was to manage and staff 2 hurricane evacuation shelters. That's been our conversation with them.
District leaders plan to meet with the county and the American Red Cross again to come to a final agreement. Erin Morgan, News 13, Panhandle Strong.